All right, so here I am in our outdoor testing studio with a cool product provided to me by Ever Advanced for a review. I have no rules about what I can say or can't say, but I am very excited about this because this is a completely foldable and a good size aluminum table for when you travel. So this is perfect for me. I wanted this in particular because we carry a Blackstone grill with us when we travel in our RV, and I don't like cooking on plastic tables and that kind of stuff. And this is completely compact, foldable, and metal, so it's nice and safe to cook on and that kind of stuff. What do you say we open it up, set it up, and then I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 in terms of what I think about this overall quality-wise. All right, let's get into it. It's my first time through it. Let's see what's inside the bag. So we have, this is the tabletop itself. This is the base. Ooh, there's a nice side pocket in here where the bars, which create the support structure, go. All right, let's put it together and then check it out. Okay, so the first step is extending the base out. There are screws built into it which stop you from overextending it. That's super simple. Let's add the bars. Okay, so there are 2 bars, which one goes here and one goes there. They come in 2 pieces. You simply snap them together. So there are 3 holes which match up with 3 pins on the top of these legs. Start with the center one, work my way out. That is it. That is super simple. Let's get the tabletop. Okay, so this is the tabletop. It is a little hard for me to communicate visually just how light this is, but this is super light. It's aluminum. Look how easy it is. Okay, so to install it, all you do is, on one side, there are holes to insert the end of these rods on. On the other side, they just snap over, so you get a good stretch on it. So let's put the rods in the proper location on that side. And then let's snap these on here, like that. 1, 2, and that is it. Look at this. That is so cool. I have to say, it is aluminum, you can cook on it, it is super lightweight, it is really quite strong, and for something that was folded up in that little bag, that is outstanding. That is a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, and we'll see you next time.